Hey everybody, so a lot of you have been asking me to do a review on the top 5 best drone under $100. Well, I have been working on a list for a few weeks now and I found a few drones that will be great for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best drones under $100. Let's get started. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's take a look. In at number 5, the best drone is E520 SRC Quadcopter Drone. The E520S is a perfect drone for beginner users or more experienced users and offers a low price and high-quality video. It also has good video quality. E520S also comes with a variety of modes that provide precise GPS location, such as Follow Me mode, which is extremely helpful, in which the drone follows you wherever you move. This is a quadcopter drone with 4 propellers with protection. The camera of the E520 is mounted on the drone. A downside to this drone is that the camera doesn't come on any gimbal or stabilization for the video. The E520 drone is equipped with an ultra-high-definition camera that has Wi-Fi connectivity and FPV as well as GPS connectivity. The E520 can fly as long as 100 meters using video connectivity. The camera features an angle of FOV that can be adjusted up to 120 degrees, that allowing you to have a great view of your videos. It utilizes Wi-Fi transmission to provide high-quality real-time image transmission. This means you can share the stunning scene on social media. The E520 comes with a rechargeable battery of 1200 mAh that can be charged with a USB battery charger. It can last up to 17 minutes recording in 4K. This drone has also multiple flight modes. The headless mode allows you to fly no matter what direction the aircraft is facing. The forward stick is forward, and the back stick is backward. The E520 comes with the option of returning home, which is a smart feature for flight to ensure your drone can land safely. E520 supports 3 smart return to home modes: 1 key, low battery, and failsafe. There is no need to be worried about whether your drone will be lost. There is also an option to tap fly, which allows it to follow the path you mark on the app and focus on recording videos and photos. And at number 4, the best drone is S608 Pro GPS RC Drone. Its arms fold, compact design, and are easy to carry. The fuselage of the quadcopter is made of high-strength engineering plastic, which is light in weight and durable. Escape wide-angle camera with 6K HD. Its angle is set to 90 degrees. Through the control unit. Its connectable app with 5G Wi-Fi function, which allows you to take photos or videos and send them in real time via the camera of the phone. The drone's GPS system provides precise information about the location of the drone. 6-axis gyroscope. The flight is more stable and easy to control. The built-in home return function is designed to ensure a safe flight. The drone will be able to automatically and efficiently return home if the battery is depleted or is out of range. If signals are weak, without having to worry about losing the drone. Its optical flow position mode fixed points height makes indoor shooting more comfortable and more secure. The longest time for the flight can be a period of 30 minutes. The powerful 7.4-volt smart battery with 3000 mAh is able to provide as much as 30 minutes worth of flying time. You will record your personality through gestures, break the traditional method of taking photos, and discover new things in just 3 meters. It's quiet and extremely powerful when in use. The motor is rarely damaged. The motor never requires replacement. This makes your flight more pleasurable. Launch the UAV app to utilize the flight plan that is available, and then sketch a path on the screen, then the drone will follow the direction. And at number 3, the best drone is RG101 Max GPS Drone. The high-quality, optimized Full HD camera that comes with a shock absorption holder allows you to shoot high-resolution 4096 by 3072 pixels images and videos with no camera vibration. high-speed 5G Wi-Fi image transfer with no delay. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens allow users to look at the world from different perspectives. This drone is equipped with GPS-assisted intelligent flight system. It is impossible to lose the drone. It will return automatically when the battery is depleted and the signal gets lost or when you press one key to return. Additionally, it's intelligent to fly at will, following your movements automatically and flying on a route you have set, or flying around a spot in circles. It is possible to concentrate on your photography or your creation. Brushless motors operate more efficiently and produce less noise than brushed motors. This will allow stable and speedy drone flights. In addition, they provide a longer lifespan and free your motor from maintenance. The two batteries are intelligent and operate for 25 minutes each battery per charge. 50 minutes in total using two batteries. The folding design and the well-equipped carrying case make it easy to transport the drone outdoors. With the air optical flow system and an air pressure altitude control system, the drone is able to hover in a steady manner in both outdoor and indoor environments. The GPS coordinates and auto return to home are a way to avoid having to lose the drone. The advanced flight modes let the drone fly in a controlled manner and let you use your hands and mind to work on video or image creation. This includes Follow Me, Tap Fly as well as Point of Interest. And at number 2, the best drone is K911 Max GPS Drone. This drone has multiple functions: up and down, turn left and right, forward and backward, sideward flight, Wi-Fi connection, dual camera, follow mode, optical flow position, one key return, one key to land and take off, trajectory flying mode, speed switching, gesture video, gesture photo, classic mode, and motion sensing mode. The high-resolution 8K dual-switch camera with 90-degree adjustable angle and 5G Wi-Fi image transmission captures the most beautiful scenery and offers a super-sharp image, giving you an extraordinary journey. It is a versatile drone. You can perform stunts like 360-degree flip, circle fly, and high-speed rotation. And you can also draw a path in your app interface. The drone will fly following the path accordingly, which is the newest technology. The optical flow position is mounted in the horizontal direction, and the air pressure is set at a high altitude to achieve stable flying, making the picture clearer. Upgraded GPS positioning system. Back to home with one button. Back to home automatically when there is low power. Back to home when it lost control. It allows you to draw your trajectory route on the app control interface, and the aircraft will automatically fly along the drawn trajectory with the current position. When facing the front lens of the camera, specified gestures can be recognized and connected to the camera function of the aircraft. You can take photos by victory gestures and shoot videos by box gestures or palm gestures. It has 7.4-volt, 1800 mAh long-lasting battery. About 90 minutes of charging time. About 1,200 meters remote control distance. The battery is modular in design and easy to replace. The high-energy density lithium battery boosts power and delivers 20 minutes of flight time. And at number 1, the best drone is L700 Pro 4K drone. With foldable arms, compact size, light to carry, escaped 4K HD wide-angle camera. It is adjustable to the angle with a 90-degree by control. With 5G Wi-Fi, it can be connected to capture video or photos, as well as live transmission of the camera of your phone. 6-axis gyro, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. GPS-assisted flight provides you with precise positioning information for your drone. The drone will return to its home exactly when the battery is not fully charged or its signal is poor when flying out of range. You will never have to worry about losing the drone. Via optical by flow positioning system, fixed point height, and the ability to shoot more quickly and consistently indoors. By setting the air pressure outside, the quadcopter can hover in the air stably, making the shooting easier. It will change the traditional method of taking pictures and coming across new and exciting things by using gestures to capture your beauty. within the range of 1 to 3 meters. The high-capacity 7.4-volt, 2200 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 25 minutes flight time. It's so quiet, yet powerful when in flight. Motor breakdowns are rare and replacement is not often needed, making your trip more pleasurable. The drone will automatically follow and capture you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. Open the drone app. Use the flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen. The copter will auto-fly as per the given path. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.